got something to tell you, Dad.
What's that?
I got a girl pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yeah, Dad.
At this age?
Yeah, it just happened.
At this age? Alright, let's just have a seat and let's talk about it, alright?
Okay, Dad. I really don't know what to do.
Yeah, let's talk about it.
Daddy, how do you live?
Well,
Yeah. No sale. Want some breed something?
What?
Breed something, man.
Oh, what?
I know, Daddy. I can't even know, star. Breed something, man. Yeah, I told grandfather, you know.
Grandfather what? Let me ask you a question. You have money?
Yeah, man.
You have money for mine, picnic?
Daddy, man.
You have work?
I'm trying to take you there now, Daddy.
You pissed out brown grass? Eh? You pissed out brown grass?
That's cool,
You see sperms now? You start sex?
Big man.
Get up from side of me, man. Get up.
Daddy, I'm
Move from side of me, man. Come in and turn your grandfather right now.
Think cool, man, Daddy, man. Everything.
So did you... Your room is a mess.
Dad,
Your room is a mess.
Dad, what's wrong with you?
You need to clean your room. Look at your room. It's a mess.
I'll clean it when I'm ready. What's wrong with you,
Come
man?
on, all you do is play video games. Your room is a mess.
Dad,
What?
please just go. You fired the cleaning lady and now you're telling me to clean my room.
You're a big boy. You're supposed to clean here by yourself.
Dad, to clean my room.
But you're
Stop.
supposed to clean. You're a big boy.
Dad,
What?
you're in my private space. Can you just come out? Can you just go, please?
You're talking to me like that.
Dad, please, just go.
You need to clean your room.
You didn't even knock. My God. I just hate this.
You need to clean your room.
You just go, please. Just go.
Okay.
Just-
All right. Bye. Okay.
My God.
What on it? Plate wash? Yard sweep? The yard sweep? All the room dirty? Look for your room. Are you there to play a game? Watch me.
Daddy, please, Daddy, please,
We'll box it down in the boy.
please, Daddy, I'm gonna.
Graduating this year, Josh McIntosh.
He's done well. He's done very well.
That's their boy.
That's your boy, you know? Yeah, I'm proud, you know?
Graduating this year, James Brown.
Yo!
Yo,
Are you ready? Yo! Yo!
Oh, easy.
What up, boss? Are you?
Yeah, my son.
Yes, hello.
Mr. McIntosh? Yeah, we caught Asheem smoking weed at the back of the classroom. Yes, at the back of the class? Yes, sir. So, I don't know, his
When
behavior.
he came home and he didn't say anything to me.
I don't know why, sir. You gotta talk to him, though.
I'll deal with it.
Yeah.
Asheem! You come here this instant.
What's up, Dad?
How come you're at school smoking weed?
It was just one blunt. What's the big deal?
It was just one blunt?
Yeah.
What you smoking weed at school?
It's just one.
You know what? You're grounded for 2 weeks.
What?
For 2 weeks.
The party's next week.
But you're grounded.
No.
Yes, 2 weeks.
I hate you, Dad. I hate you.
You hate me. Hello.
You know, you say them buck your boy a bun ganja around a school.
I do what?
A bun ganja, man, the kush.
I smoke weed at school. You want at school,
That
but
boy think tough.
Yeah,
You're deaf.
Asheem! Asheem!
Bro, now the school back and a bonus spliff.
Asheem!
That's it.
Yo, come here, man.
Daddy, Dad.
What do you mean by what I did? What kind of song that you are singing?
That's what? Dad, I want to hear that.
What do you mean by what to me? How many years to get there at school and smoke weed?
I want to spliff, Daddy, man.
You said at school for that?
I want
Me
to
said that.
spliff.
Me said weed. Me said I go to school. Me said weed. Me
Daddy, I want
said
to
I
hear,
go to
man.
school. What do you mean by what to me?
Daddy, you messing them, man.
About chatting.
Daddy, you messing them, man. Just ease them and go and wash where you wash, man. I want to hear Daddy, man.
Wait. I don't me raise you. Are you raise me? Are you raise me?
Ease them, man. I'm a big man now, Daddy.
You're a big man.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah,